still worthy na pumunta dito sa Canada at maging international student?
Oo naman.
It's better you stay where you are.
Kaya naman, worth naman.
Hi! So, anong pangalan mo at taga-saan ka sa Pilipinas?
My name is Dayan and I'm from Iloilo. I'm an international student dito sa Canada.
Okay. So, bakit Canada at bakit international student?
Actually, before I came to Canada, I was working in China.
Oh, okay.
But during the COVID, during pandemic, pinag-usapan namin ng asawa ko na we should try another country kasi we can bring our family because we have a son. So naisip namin, why not try another country that offers good benefits not only for us but also for the family. So we tried Canada.
Okay. So, ano yung mga challenges mo as an international student?
Mainly it's finances.
Yeah.
With the cost of living dito sa Vancouver, it's really hard na one person lang yung nagtatrabaho.
Also, it means ito yung family. Kasama mo na yung family mo. Oh, that's good. Kasi yung iba kasi, like, solo lang sila. So, I can imagine kung paano nila binubuhay yung sarili nila. Like, there's a tuition fee, di ba? May mga expenses like rent, at saka pagkain. So, it's very hard talaga thinking about that. So, for you, is it worth it pa na pumunta dito sa Canada?
Kung ngayon, I would say, if you are financially stable, wherever you are, like kung nasa Pinas ka, and you have stability in terms of job, and then yung career mo is also good, it's better you stay where you are. Kasi right now, with the changes and ongoing policies na nagbabago once in a while,
Yeah.
it's not the same like before nung time na nag-apply ako. Like, way
So-
back 2021.
Okay.
So I started my application as an international student 2021, and then I got approved 2022. So
Okay.
pumunta kami dito 2022, and that time we can still bring our family.
Yes.
So OWP, since I'm the student, I can bring my husband, and then I can bring my son too. So when we applied, it was so quick. 14 days lang na-approve na kami.
Wow, 14 days,
Yeah,
guys.
and it was through DIY. It wasn't through agency. We just did it all together.
Nice, that's nice. Kasi yung iba nagbabayad pa talaga ng mga agency. And then,
And sobrang mahal.
it is sobrang mahal, 150 up, di ba?
Yes.
So,
yes.
yun yung ma-advise mo. Like, kung stable man sila, just stay there. And if
Yeah.
not, then pwede
Yeah.
pwede pa talaga yung Canada for you. That's
Yeah.
your opinion and your
Yeah.
advice. Ano yung ma-advise mo sa mga upcoming naman, international student, yung mga nag-apply na, tsaka na-approve na, and then magsa-start na sila as an international student?
So I'm not here to discourage anyone. Actually, it's still good that you want to invest in Canada, just in case na you want something more, like not only for yourself but also for your family, especially those who have families. Magbitbit ng maraming lakas ng loob
Akala ko maraming pera, maraming lakas ng loob pala.
aside sa pera.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yun,
That's true.
kasi here it's really depressing kung wala kang family dito. Like us, in our case, we don't have any family here. Like we're the first ones who really came sa aming family.
Yeah,
So most of the time, madidepress ka kasi wala kang malalapitan dito unless you have good friends that you meet.
Yeah, correct.
And then, yeah, lakas ng loob talaga at saka faith, isa yun. Kasi most of the time, susubukin ka talaga eh.
Yeah.
Like financially, emotionally, mentally especially.
Mentally, yes.
Kapag nandun ka na sa point na yun, parang mag-emotional breakdown ka na minsan. Pero pagka nandyan kasi yung family mo, parang you get back up.
Yes, correct.
And then you get the strength
Tama.
to go on.
You really have to protect your mental health talaga if you're far from your family. Ano pangalan mo?
Aisa,
Oh, okay. So, anong ginagawa mo dito sa Canada?
nag-aaral.
Oh, international student.
Yeah,
So, anong nagpa-decide sa'yo na mag-international student?
Yun yung pinakamadaling pathway.
Mm.
Nung batch ko
May
Nung-
family, may
yeah.
family ka dito? Oh,
Pero
okay.
sa akin, malaking opportunity kasi yun. Gusto ko talaga gusto ko pa mag-aral eh.
So, saan mo na ko yung whole idea na maging international student ka dito sa Canada?
Sa tita ko, na nandito.
Oh, so alam niya na talaga yung pathway na to. So, yung karamihan ng mga tanong dito ng mga upcoming international student is it still worthy na pumunta dito sa Canada at maging international student?
Oo naman. Pero kasi, dahil nga sa paiba-iba yung announcement or parang mga batas dito, mahirap talaga. Pero kailangan talaga kung gusto mo or willing talaga siya na mag-international student dito is yung funds. Yun talaga ang una.
Yung pera
funds.
talaga,
Yeah,
no?
pera
Yeah,
talaga.
sa same thing. So, ano yung nagpapamotivate sa'yo para tapusin yung pagiging international student mo? Para mag-survive ka? Or like, ano yung motivation mo?
Siguro yung PR or yung career path ko dito. Kasi syempre, hindi mapupunta sa wala yung napag-aralan ko. Kasi alam ko talaga na after ko nun is maraming opportunity na makukuha.
Yeah. So, wala kang family dito? Like, kids or husband?
Wala. Ako single.
Oh my God. So, is it hard to be a solo international student?
Yeah, pag sa single, sobrang hirap. Kasi unlike sa mga iba kong classmate na they have OWP,
Yung mga husband, yeah.
So may
That's so
katulong
support.
sila sa mga expenses sa pagbayad. So as a single na pumunta dito, kailangan talaga
Yeah.
funds and kahit anong...
So, ano yung ma-advise mo sa mga upcoming international student?
Basta pag pumunta sila dito, dapat kailangan buo yung loob nila.
Yeah, correct.
Saka dapat gusto nila, yung gusto talaga nila. Hindi,
Yeah, kasi...
yun yung pinakauna yung lakas ng loob.
Oh!
Tibay ng
Yeah.
loob.
My name is Leonard and from Philippines. Tulad din yun na nag-aaral din.
Bakit ka nag-international student?
Actually, nung year 2020, dumating yung tita ng asawa ko din, nag-advise siya kung gusto namin mag-abroad. So, to be honest na parang ayoko naman mag-abroad din.
Ayaw mo mag-abroad
Yeah.
talaga.
Kasi dumating yung anak namin eh. So, na-stop nag-apply kami 2020, then
Okay.
2021 parang ayoko na. Then,
So, 2020 ka pa nag-apply?
yeah, 2020 pa yun. So, defer namin yung,
Kasi hindi ka pa ready.
yeah, hindi pa siguro handa. During that time, nag-struggle din kami. When it comes sa financially. Kasi mahirap talaga na makapunta dito sa Canada pag number one yung pera talaga eh.
Yes. Pera talaga.
So,
So, para sa'yo, worth it pa ba na mag-Canada?
worth it siya pagdating sa mga, alam mo yung, kasi when it comes kasi sa pagpunta mo dito, dapat may plano yan, number one plano yan. Tanungin talaga ng mabuti yan eh. For example ako, even na gusto kong makuha yung family ko, then titignan ko rin yung sitwasyon namin dito eh, kung kaya ba namin o ano. Pero kung talagang handa na, kaya naman, worth it naman.
Yeah. So, it means, yung family mo is nasa Philippines pa, wala dito?
Wala pa.
Oh, okay.
So, mahirap din kasi from the very start na nandito ako, lagi akong na-homesick ganyan.
Yeah. Homesick. So, yun yung pinaka-challenge mo, yung aside sa finances, homesickness talaga. Yeah. So, yun lang. Thank you so much. Sana graduate na tayo.
Yeah.
Like
Hopefully,
this year.
sana makuha natin.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.